Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rank Math for advanced schema markup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with registering Rank Math for advanced schema markup, first, visit the Rank Math website. Download the Rank Math plugin from the website. Once downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and select Add New. Click on the Upload plugin button at the top. Choose the Rank Math plugin file you downloaded. After selecting the file, click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate Plugin. Next, you will see a setup wizard appear automatically. Follow the prompts to connect Rank Math to your Rank Math account. If you don't have an account, click the Create an Account button and fill in the required details. Once your account is created, return to the connection prompt and log in. After connecting your account, proceed to configure your site settings. Choose your website's type, like a blog or an e-commerce site. Configure the SEO settings according to your preferences. Now, navigate to the Schema Markup section in the Rank Math settings. Select the type of schema markup you want to use, such as article, product, or video. Fill in the required fields for the selected schema type. Make sure to add all relevant information for your schema. Once everything is set, click Save Changes to apply the settings. You can use the built-in Schema Markup Validator to check your setup. Finally, visit your site to verify that your schema markup is displayed correctly. You have now successfully registered Rank Math for advanced schema markup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.